she's stuck. You can't sell that house for cash because a cash investor is going to offer something in the range of $150 for a home, but your payoff is almost $200,000. You can't do it.
I'm going to give you 10 seconds to come up with a fun deal that you have done.
A fun deal?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. A lot of our deals that we do are fun. From a creative finance scenario, buying a property that had a $123,000 first lien on it, that had a $36,000 second lien that was a HUD, a partial claim deed, that means it was a loan modification, zero interest, zero payments. Our seller was $15,000 behind in payments again. The house needed $25,000 of work done to it.
Okay.
And you add it all up in the day, the house was worth $210,000 and they owed about $200,000 total, which means going through a cash scenario doesn't work, right? No one's going to pay $200,000 for a house that needs $25,000 in work that's worth $210,000. But learning how to play the creative finance game, we bought that home, renovated it, sold it in 3 weeks for $240,000, got $24,000 down payment. I'm going to tell you what, this was about a couple of years back. Today, that same house is probably $350,000. We were able to take a house that had zero equity and create, in about 24 months, we created $60,000 of legitimate equity and $1,100 a month positive cash flow. And that is how you play this game, learning how to do it. But again, knowledge is power in our industry, right?
That is a lot of fun. So can you slow play it for me? Just go through those numbers again.
A 123 first lien at 3% interest rate. $36,000 second lien, zero interest, zero payments. $15,000 behind in payments. 3 weeks away from foreclosure. $25,000 of work to get the house to retail ready. And she's stuck. You can't sell that house for cash because a cash investor is going to offer something in the range of $150 for a home, but your payoff is almost $200,000. You can't do it. You can't take the house retail because it won't pass appraisal standards. So how do you help a seller in those situations?
Yeah.
Learning how to play the creative finance game was very beneficial. That allowed us to stop her foreclosure, boost her credit, take a deal that really had no value and create value by understanding some processes that really work. Now, to play a game like that, though, V, you got to have knowledge first, right? But you also have to have enough cash to close the deal or access to cash through private capital in order that someone who will work with you on a deal like that. And we do.
Do you actually pay off their liens, their first lien and second lien?
Oh, heck no.
Okay.
We take them to we're going to make the monthly payments for them going forward. And that's what generated almost $1,100 a month of positive cash flow for us on that one transaction. And some $65,000 of equity that was created in 24 months out of zero.
So Scott, this scenario, this type of deal, do you do them only with certain price point, or can you do them with highest price too? And here's why I ask. So I got a lead today, and she owes the first lien was $250, and the second lien was $85, and the house probably worth what she owes.
So a $250 first and a $85 second, right?
Yep.
What's the ARV?
$350 in my opinion, or maybe $370.
House is worth $350. She owes $335, right?
Yep.
So the next question is what is the interest rate?
Oh, well, her first lien got a really low interest rate. It's less than 4%.
Okay. About
Her
the
second lien, I am not sure.
Let's just call it 6%.
Yep.
This is a guesstimate.
Right.
So, and this property is in what city? Houston or Dallas or where?
It's in not in Houston. It's in near Austin area.
Like Round Rock or
Yes.
Kyle?
Yeah, Kyle.
Yeah, absolutely. Because you can take that home that has a 350 ARV value. I'm assuming the house is in really good shape, right?
Yes. From
Okay.
the pictures, it looks fantastic.
Move in ready, right?
Yep.